So I have right here all that I use. This is just detailing clay. It actually comes with this instant detailer. It's a kit. I really like this product combo. It comes with a microfiber towel. This one is not the one that it comes with. I like the bigger microfiber. I actually sell these because they have a magnet underneath this corner that's enclosed. So that way when you're working, you can hang it and you don't have to worry about sitting it in dirt or dust or rocks or whatever. So they're very helpful. I actually have them on Amazon Prime. That link's in the description. Anyway, I like them a lot. That's my personal preference. Feel free to check them out. A lot of people are scared of clay barring. It's not as bad as it seems if you have the right stuff. The big thing I'm going to try and do today, I'm going to try and show you a couple of these marks so you can actually see a few. There, you got a scuff there. Some over here, some nastiness over here. It is an overcast kind of day. I don't like doing it with a lot of heat. Take your detailer, get a little spray. Be pretty generous with it. Take your bar now. Now this will not scratch. You don't have to wash your vehicle beforehand. I recommend you do because your bar will last longer. But basically you just take this and rub where your area is. And as long as it glides, you're in good shape. Once it starts to stick, you need more material down. Don't worry about a pattern, don't worry about, because again, it can't scratch it because the way the clay bar works is it actually picks up the little dirt, and you can see in there, and it keeps it in the clay. So you actually will never scratch your paint with a clay bar. So I'll just go over this one more time, make sure really getting it all. Now it does take time to do an entire vehicle. It takes a while. So now it's starting to stick, maybe it's drying. First, I like to take the towel, get the extra residue off. And then you get this, you just get it once over with the instant detailer. Any brand really works. You just wipe it up, dry it, make sure you get it real good. Typically this will remove wax, but a spray wax will take care of that.